how to enable or disable Wi-Fi Hotspot 2.0 open roaming auto reconnecting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. After you click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi and click on this three dot icon and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, you will see Hotspot 2.0 is here. After click on Hotspot 2.0 and you will see Open Roaming. After you will see Auto Reconnect is here. If you want to enable Auto Reconnect, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Auto Reconnect is enabled. If you want to disable Auto Reconnect, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Auto Reconnect is disabled. You will enable or disable Auto Reconnect from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Wi-Fi Hotspot 2.0 open roaming auto reconnect on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.